everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories, and today I'm talking about the Mondays, Dr. Ziphozenkosi and the gospel artist Dumi Mkokstad. Yesterday they celebrated their daughter's birthday. 2 years guys, born March 14, 2022. Guys, she already have a younger brother, so I'm to be a big girl. As you can see, her mother Ziphozenkosi shared this heartfelt message on her social media platform. I am so in love with you, dear daughter. Words fail me. You have made my world so colorful and beautiful. I'm so thankful to God for blessing me with his best. Forever you and me, my sunshine. Basi beya commenta kabantu ke bathi ke happy birthday ku baby girl. Nathi ke sisho njalo. Sithi happy birthday Nana, we love you so much. Ukhule uhloniphe umhlaba bakithi. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your sweet message to the beautiful Lenani Nzimande. Bye.